Good morning, polar bear friends. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and we are going to be reviewing our packet for today. So go ahead, and if you don't already have it out, go ahead and get it out. Awesome job. So what's the first thing that we do on our paper? That's right, we write our name. Awesome job. This is a phonics reading comprehension, and this story has to do with the op word family. So I want you to think of 3 words and tell an adult right now what 3 words that are in the op word family that rhymes with the word op. Awesome job, friends. So this story is called A Carrot for Bop. We're going to read this story, and every time you read this story, I want you to color in a star to help you know what the op words are in this story. Bop is hungry. She pops her head out of her den. Hop, hop, hop. She hops to the garden. Bop sees a carrot. She pulls on the top. Out pops the carrot. Look out, Bop! The farmer will stop you. Hop, hop, hop. Bop hops to the shop. Don't drop your carrot. She hides in a mop. The farmer doesn't see Bop. Bop pops her head out. Hop, hop, hop. She hops to her den. Chop, chop, chop. Eat your carrot, Bop. Awesome job, friends. So this first question says, we know it's a question because at the end it has a question mark. What does Bop see in the garden? So what we're going to do is you're going to take, and once you find your answer in the story, you're going to take your red crayon and you're going to underline it. So the first question, what does Bop see in the garden? Friends, what does Bop see in the garden? Awesome job. Bop sees a carrot. So remember, we're going to write on the lines. What does our sentence always start with? A capital letter. Good job. Bop. And then don't forget your finger space. Sees a carrot. And what goes at the end of our sentence? Awesome, a period. So, boys and girls, we are going to go back in our story and we are going to underline where we found it. Let's see. Bop sees a carrot. Awesome job. The second sentence, or the second question says, what will the farmer do? You are going to underline that with your orange crayon after you find it in the story. Question number 3. Where does Bop hide? Once you find your answer in the story, you are going to underline it in green. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and pause the video so you can finish the worksheet. Awesome job, friends. Awesome. This one is called, what's the first thing we do on our papers when we get it? Awesome job. We write our name. And this worksheet is called I Can Read Simple Sentences. The directions are read the words in the word bank. So here's our word bank. We have cap, cap, nap, nap, gap, gap, tap, tap, lap, lap, wrap, wrap, map, map, sap, sap. Boys and girls, what is one thing that you notice about all those words in the word bank? Awesome job. They all have to do with the app word family. So the directions are read the sentences, color the circle that matches the picture. So let's look at this first picture. I wonder what it is. Let's read the sentences to see if it can help us figure it out. This first sentence says, his smile had a gap. I wonder if that could be it. Can I take a nap? Does it look like that he's about to take a nap here? No. So it says, his smile had a gap. Well, this is a picture of a child who has a gap and he's smiling. So you are going to color this circle. Awesome job. We're going to do one more together. So looking at this, this almost looks like it's a map. So let's read the sentences. I had sap on my hand. The other sentence says, find it on the map. Ooh, that sentence had the word map in it. And that looks like a map. So I think the answer is find it on the map. Awesome job, boys and girls. I think you can finish this one up. So go ahead and pause the video and finish this worksheet. Awesome job, friends. I'm so proud of you for working so hard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do some math. Combinations to 10. The directions are connect the make 10 statement to the matching 10 frame. What's a 10 frame? Awesome job. This is a 10 frame. Remember, it has 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to look and see how many circles are already in this box. So let's see, friends. Let's count them. One, or we already know that this is 5, because remember, in a 10 frame, the whole top row is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 already. So we're going to write it right here so we can remember. So how many empty spaces do we have? Awesome job, friends. We have 1. So let's look over here and see if we can find the numbers 9 and 1. See, that says 2 and 8. No. 5 and 5. 4 and 6. 7 and 3. 9 and 1. Oh, isn't that what we were looking for? Awesome job, friends. So you're going to connect the dot from this one all the way down. Awesome job, friends. We're going to do one more together, and then I think you will be able to do this. So, let's see. How many circles do we already have? We already know that this is 5. And this is 5. And this is called a what again? A 10 frame. Awesome job. So 5 and 5 make 10. Let's look over here and see if we can find a 10 and a 0. Because remember, if we already have 10 and we're trying to make 10, we don't need any more circles. They're all filled. So we have 2 and 8, 5 and 5, 4 and 6, 7 and 3. We've already used this one. 10 and 0. Look at there. So we're going to connect the dots. Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. You are working so hard. So I want you to go ahead and finish this up. And remember, after you finish these, I want you to go find an adult or your parents and send it to your teacher on Seesaw so that we can see just how hard you are working at home.